Hello children, so today we will do the practical part of our MS Paint for chapter 7, that is shapes for drawing. To open MS Paint, you will double click on this icon and then your paint screen will be open like this. Okay, if you want to adjust the size of your drawing sheet, you can click here and drag it till where you want it to be. Okay. Now, as you can see, this part, this is your toolbox. Here you can find pencil, fill color, text tool, eraser, magnifier, different types of brushes and different types of shapes are also given here. Okay, after selecting a tool, you can select the size of the tool from this part. And here whatever color you will select from the color panel or color palette, that will be displayed in color 1. Okay, and as I told in the theory video also, that if you have to change the color of the eraser, right now it is white, but if you wish to change, you can change the color, then your eraser can work like a brush and it will draw the line or it will erase, and whatever the path it has covered, it will color it with the selected color. Okay, so children, first of all, let us do line tool. So here you can see in shapes toolbar, here first one is line tool. As soon as you bring your mouse pointer over there, then below it line is also written there. So we will click there and we will select it. If you have to change the size of the line, that is the thickness, you can select it from here, and whatever color you wish to select, you can select. By default, it will be black. So as soon as you bring the cursor to the drawing board, you will see a plus sign. Okay, so in your book, a star is drawn over there. So let us draw that. Okay, like this, you will simply drag and click. I'm simply dragging, and then I will leave the mouse pointer till where I want to draw the line. This way you can draw a star. Next one is a hut. Let us draw that also. Try to make a straight line. This way, using this line tool, you can draw the straight lines. It simply works as your scale, like you do it in your drawing notebooks. Okay, children. Now, after drawing this, let us see how you can color it. So I will select the fill with color option. From here, I will pick any color. Suppose I have selected yellow. Then I will click here inside this enclosed area. Then this area will be colored with yellow. Let's select blue. Okay. So this way you can use fill with color option to fill color in your drawing. If you click on the line that you have drawn, then it will color that line of the selected color. Okay. Now let us color the house. Select brown here, pink. Now children, as you can see, I selected here only, but it has colored inside this area also, because this line is completely not joined. It is not enclosed. Okay, so first let us close it. Selected the pencil tool. Select the color black. Okay, now let us again select fill with color. And then suppose I select sky blue here. I will click. Now the figure is colored according to the user's choice. Okay children. Now next is pencil tool. In pencil tool, you can draw freehand drawings. Now these two drawings were done with the help of shapes tool. You selected the line tool. Now how you can draw the freehand drawings? I have selected only pencil. I will not use any other tool to draw. Okay, so first let us select the black color. Now I'll try to draw with the help of my mouse only. I will move my mouse, I will drag it, and then I try to draw a flower. See, it's very difficult to draw a freehand drawing. This is the same figure that is given in your book. Make a leaf also. So children, see the difference between the shapes drawing and freehand drawing. Okay. Now next is brushes. As soon as you click on this brushes option, you will find different types of brushes. Right? Let us see what we'll do. Okay. So this is the first brush. Let us see the second one like this. So you can see you are able to draw lines of different styles by changing the style of your brush. This is like your sketch pens. You can select different colors for these. So children, if you have to use different types of styles of the line that you are drawing, then you can select from this brushes option. If you wish, you can change the color or you can change the size of the selected brush also. So children, the next one we will see how a curved tool works. So this second one is the curved tool. I click here and then I will draw a line. Now suppose I have to make a curve here. Okay, so I'll click here and then I will drag it. Okay, now it's done. Let us make one more. I'm drawing the figure that is given on page number 43 in your books. Now we'll draw the nose like this. Again I'll select the curve tool. Okay. Like this. Okay. Again the curve tool. And make a mouth. Drag it downwards. And then again I'll select the line tool to complete it. This. So children, this way you can draw the curved lines using curved tool. You simply have to select the tool, bring the mouse pointer, draw a straight line, and then from wherever you want to give it a curve, you will click there and you will release the mouse button. Okay, let us try one more time. Okay children, next is rectangle tool. Let's take a new one. Now here on the fourth number you can find one rectangle tool is given. You'll select it and then you have to drag and then whatever size you want till there you will drag it and then you will release the mouse button. Okay, again like this. Okay, now I'll make a stand over here using the oval tool. Like this, your desktop is made. Now one more shape is given here, that is rounded rectangle. Let us see the difference. Now here you can see the difference, children. The simple rectangle had sharp edges, and in this rounded rectangle, as I told you in the video also, that the edges of this rectangle are curved. Okay, so this is the difference between the rectangle tool and rounded rectangle tool. Now let us see the oval tool. So I'll draw the figure that is given on page number 44. First I'll select the oval tool and I'll draw a big circle for the face. Okay, then I have to select the curved tool to draw the eyebrows. Here and make it. Okay, again I'll draw a line and then okay, then I'll select the oval tool just to make the eyes. Same for here. Okay, and again the curve tool to make the nose and then like this. Okay, use the oval tool to draw the mouth and one line tool like it is given in your book. Okay children, so using these tools you can draw these types of figures. Okay, now let us use fill with color. So I'll select this option, fill with color. Okay, and then I will select the color of my choice. Suppose I've selected this, I've colored the whole face, and I'll take black, I'll color the eyes, and then in mouth I'll do the red color. Okay, so this way you can use the option fill with color to fill the colors in your drawing. Next is eraser. Now you can find that I have drawn some lines over here which are not required. So to erase them, I will select the eraser tool, and from here I can select the size also. Okay, then what I have to do, I will simply click and drag over the line which I have to erase. Drag like this. So you can see those unwanted lines are erased. Okay children. Now let us draw the figure that is given on page number 47. So for that, what I need first of all a rectangle. Okay, let's make it black outline. Right. Okay, now again I have to draw a door. So what I'll do, I selected the rectangle tool only. Okay, then I will simply do it like this. Okay, then I have to draw rest of the picture. So I have to select the line tool. I'll simply start from here. I'll simply start from this portion. Okay. This. Again. Simply have to select the tool, and then from where you have to start, you'll click there, and then from till where you want, you will drag the mouse and then release the mouse button. Okay children, let us complete this part also. like this. If you wish, then you can draw the rectangle with the help of line tool also. It totally depends on you. Okay, now one circle is also there. So I'll select the circle tool and then we'll draw a circle. Okay, now let us color this. So here, first I'll select the yellow color with fill with color option. Yellow color is selected. I'll click here to make it of yellow color. Then the purple color is given. These two are purple. And then light yellow. And then light green. Okay. Here dark green is there in the circle. Then orange, red, brown, and here on top it's gray. Okay, so you can see we have drawn this house also. Now let us add some text. The text is given here. This is my dream house. So I will select this text tool. You can see this option, it has A written on it. I'll click it and then I have clicked here. So I will write. First I have to select the color. Okay, so I have made it red. If you want, you can change the size of the text also from here. And if you want to change the style, then also you can do it. So I'll write, this is my dream house. Okay. If you want it in single line, then you'll bring your mouse pointer here, and then when this arrow comes with left and right arrows, you will simply click and drag like this. Okay, so this way you can add colors, different styles, and even the text to your drawing. Okay, children. Now some of the figures are given in lab assignment, so you will try to draw these. If any doubt is there, you can ask me anytime. Okay, children. Till then, take care. Bye.